Hi everyone, it's Cindy from Shenandoah Papercraft, and it's happy Summerween time. A lot of my friends are doing Summerween journals, and I wanted to make one too this year. I have had this gorgeous kit from PixieDustFiles, gosh, over a year, and I finally decided it would be perfect for my Summerween. So what I'm going to do is show you. I have so many makers that I've used their downloads on in here, and I'm going to list them below in the description because there's so many of them and they all deserve credit because there's some beautiful stuff in here. And this is just the tall thin journal, and it's just very it's very sweet and very spooky. I thought it was perfect. On the cover here, I've just put some tulle on her little ruffle at the bottom and a bow in her hair, and some summer flowers down here around her mushroom, and some neat Halloween pom-pom fringe here. And we open it up on the inside, and it's called Bewitched, and this is a little spooky girl paper doll from PixieDustFiles. So she's very generous. I did buy this kit as well, but she has a lot of downloads on her Facebook group. So if you're a PixieDustFiles fan, join her Facebook group. She's very generous with her downloads. And here's a beautiful little witch, and I put some tulle around her neckline and a bow, and some spooky summer flowers on her witch's hat. Next we have here another one of PixieDustFiles paper dolls, and this lantern that's all glittery is from the front of a greeting card. There were 3 different lanterns, and I love that card. I hope they have it out again this year. I'll buy another one from the Dollar Tree. This one I put gold and silver glitter around the skulls and the pumpkins, and I put little rhinestones in there for eyeballs. And on this page is another sweet thing, pink and white stripes for the summer and dark for Halloween. And here's a little eyeball journaling card, which is so cute. And I use some yarn as a tag up top here. And that's a PixieDustFiles freebie. This one is from the Summerween kit, and I've listed the maker below. I got it off of Etsy. I thought it went with PixieDustFiles perfectly. And I have this little pink and white striped bag, and inside are 2 little cards, a kitty cat and a scarecrow. And I had some scrapbook paper with some spooky sayings on it, and I just cut them out and stuck them on here. And this is one of the pages. It's so pretty. I hate to cover up her pages because a lot of them are just lovely. I did put lace on the edge. On this one, we've got ghosts. And here is a tarot card journaling card, and the maker is listed in my description box. And there's Ghost, and she is a little cutie from PixieDustFiles again. And Rest Among the Shadows. This is the Pastel-o-Ween kit, and this is PixieDustFiles, and they just go together so well. Spooky season, and I found some matching ribbon for this strip. And here is another one of PixieDustFiles personal or free downloads from her website, from her Facebook group. And this is another kitty that's I've turned into a tag here. Here is, I don't know where I got this. It might have been part of a greeting card that I downloaded. I don't remember. And some trick-or-treat bags. And here's a little pumpkin made from a clothing tag. And I deliberately left the clothing tag as a clothing tag on the back so people could say, oh, it's a clothing tag. So those go in here. And here's an old advertisement for Halloween decor. I made this little belly band over here and added this tag. Do not enter, for welcome foolish mortals for the haunted house. And October 31st. Okay, I had to do it. I put googly eyes on that thing. I don't know if you can see that or not. They're rattling around. I got that on there. Okay, this is an actual vintage popcorn bag from a circus. I don't like clowns. I'll tell you that up front. And if you don't like them, then don't look at what I'm going to pull out of here next. And I put it in backwards for two reasons. One, because it's scary and I don't like scary clowns. And number two, it's white on the back. So this is kind of see-through. And if I had turned it over, you could see the picture through the popcorn bag. So it looks better with the white. So here's my icky evil clown. So I'm going to put it back in upside down. And here are some journaling cards, and this clown isn't so bad because he's all pinky and pastel-y. So he's a summer scary guy. And on this page we've got some summer flowers up here with glitter on them and rhinestone centers. And we have two cute little girls right here from the Pastel-o-Ween kit. And I just made a pocket out of different laces here. And this kitty likes his treats. This is a download of an old Halloween greeting card. Another one of PixieDustFiles little girls here on a tarot card tag. And she likes tricks. She likes to play tricks on people. I just put a little lace down the side here. And here's a cutie with her Halloween pumpkins. And happy haunting with some cheesecloth in the top there. And old sheet music, beautiful dreamer. In the center, we have a full page Halloween ad that is advertising buckets, candy buckets. See how this little girl is carrying her candy bucket? Well, here they all are. Hers is similar to this one. I just put some baby rickrack on this side and some orange and white check down this side. Come one and all, poisonous. I love these little pointy hats on these little girls here. Here's the witch's page. She's a good witch. I like her. Pink and spooky. And this little girl says, I'm so good, I don't have to be afraid on Halloween. And she's got the witch flying by. And again, here's some vintage sheet music with another one of the Pastel-o-Ween cards and a spooky little girl here. And this is a download of an old Halloween card. Ooh, the witch's brew on Halloween. She's cooking up something with her little black cat. So she's making jack-o'-lantern extract, and her kitty's taking notes here on what she's putting in the pot. I left these pages pretty much the way they are because I needed some writing space in here, and this one had lines, and this has a nice white open space. And I put this girl, I like these bat ears on her. They kind of remind me of these pointy hat ladies. And I put little summer flowers on them. Here's a cute teacup with mushrooms and a little house in it. And up here we have Mischief brand, kittens in a teapot. And cough remedy. Here's some more writing space here. On this side, I took the sheer netting that has rose gold spider webs on it and put that down. See it sparkle. More lace on the side. And here is, I don't know where that's from. It was a download, and it's got the cute little girl and her little wolf puppy. It's Halloween night. And here's a couple of really cute pink and black ladies here. Here's a haunted house with a bat. This is three-dimensional bat with glitter all over it. And two haunted houses here and the big one over here. This is Mrs. Julia R. Pendery, dealer in teas, staples, and fancy groceries. I love her bat teapot and cup and saucer. Here's a pocket here with a little skeleton ballerina girl in it. And when you turn the page, I made this little tea bag guy. I just slipped a picture inside of an opened tea bag and covered the like Lipton tea thing on the end there. Elixir of Shadows. And on this side, I've got a couple more cute pictures in here. And this is "'Tis Midnight Hour" pianoforte. Full Moon Ritual. Here's the moon, tarot card, and another little girl. And in the very back here, we've got this tea tray with tons of glitter on the edges of the plates here. And then I made this cute little, I don't know what you call them. She's cute, but I made it. And it's got little streamers with cheesecloth and crepe paper and netting with gold spider webs on it. Just a little decoration you can hang up if you want to. So that is my Summerween album. Here's the back of it. So I hope you liked that. It was fun to make. It was pretty quick. I love these tall, skinny ones. I haven't made one in quite a while. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a happy Summerween. See you later.